volcano right there. See the road going up it? See the cut? We're gonna drive up that right into the top, into the center of it. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Okay.
Perfect.
Anything else?
What are you sitting beside, Philip?
A pizza. Promise?
Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk all the way around the rim first. All the way back down over here, and then we're going to walk down that path right into the middle of the cinder cone. How cool is that?
You ready, Philip?
Yes.
Yeah, we're going to walk the Crater Rim Trail all the way around, and we've already driven this road all the way up, and then we'll walk right down in the middle of the crater. Philip, look at the mountains. Look at the view. Beautiful view here. Get an idea of what the crater looks like.
I see a flying plant.
Philip, do you see all of these trees out there, way out there in the distance?
Yes.
All of that is lava flow. All of that is lava that came out of this crater.
But how did it go all the way over there?
Well, yeah, it just oozed out of the side and came out. See where it looks like ripples?
Mm-hmm.
That's more lava. It just flowed out of the side of this crater all the way over here. You can see where it just ended, and it finally cooled off enough and it just froze. You see it all over the place out there. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Sierra Grande? Yep. Sierra Grande. It's also a volcano. Capulin Volcano is what I consider a quintessential volcano in my head when I think of volcano. Thousands of years ago, this was just a flat plain. And all of a sudden, one day, the ground just split open and started spewing lava up. And it spewed lava until this cone was built. And as you can see here on the right-hand side is a little bit higher than the left-hand side. The wind was blowing out of the southwest, and it made the right-hand side of the cone higher when it was blowing all the cinders over. So just imagine flat ground, and then all of a sudden it starts spewing out like this. ready to walk right down there in the middle of the crater? Right down here? Let's walk down there and see what we can see.
I'm not ready.
You're not ready? Oh. We're at the bottom. We're down in the crater now, Philip. We're in the crater of a volcano. What do you think?
What's this one?
It says a volcano erupts when molten rock called magma flows up to the surface through cracks in the Earth's crust. Most magma contains dissolved gas under pressure. The gas pressure is released when the magma reaches the surface the same way bubbles in soda burst when the can is opened. This pressure release is powerful enough to throw molten rock thousands of feet into the air. The rock fragments blown from the volcanic vent cool and fall back to the earth. The rocks ejected from the vent pile up around the eruption site to build the cone. Lava flows from fractures or weaknesses at the base of the side of the mountain through release cones of cinders.
So an interesting side note to this, in 1943, a man was in the Valley of Mexico plowing his cornfield, I think, and all of a sudden the ground cracked open and started spewing ash and lava. Of course he thought the devil had possessed his field. I think he ran and got a priest. But now that crack in the ground has turned into a several thousand feet volcano just like Capulin. And it would be quite a shock to just be out minding your own business, plowing your cornfield, and now you have a volcano in it.
These, Mr. Daniel, are pea targets.